If you are watching this video, we are continuing to work on making sure that you know the letter names and the sounds that those letters are most likely going to that those sounds those letters are most likely going to make when you see them in words. So let's begin. First thing is these what you see on the screen, those are the letters of the alphabet. How many letters are there in the alphabet? I gave you time to think. I hope that you said 26. And if you did not, then I'm going to just let you know there are 26 letters in the alphabet. Some of those letters can be consonants and vowels. If you've watched any of these other videos, do you know whether the vowels are in red or white on the screen? If you said that the vowels are the letters that are highlighted red, you are correct. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Each letter has a name, just as you have a name, and each letter has a job or a sound that it makes. Just like you have certain jobs that you have to do at home or that you have to do at school as a student. So let's first go through the names of the letters. There are 26 of them as an O, by the way, just a reminder, and some of them are vowels and some of them are consonants. The letter names are, and let's use the capital letters today, okay? Let's just look at those capital letters right now. The letter names are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Those are the names. Each letter has a name, and we've talked about their names. Now let's talk about these sounds that they make most of the time. Let's go ahead and go through. You ready? I want you to say them with me. Don't just listen to me because it's going to have to be you at some point without someone guiding you. So I want you to begin to take ownership here. So let's go through those sounds. A, B, D, E, G, I, J, O, M, N, A, Q, R, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Now, someone I hope will ask you, what do you get when you watch those videos? So from today's video, I want you to be able to tell them, well, I watched that video, and from the video, I found out, or I was reminded, that there are 26 letters in the alphabet. I also, while watching that video, was reminded that there are 5 vowels, and those vowels are A, E, I, O, U. While watching the video, I want you to be able to tell them, I was told that each of the 26 letters has a name, and we practiced saying those names, those letter names. The voice on the video also told me that those same 26 letters that have names also have sounds. So we took the time to practice the sounds that those letters make. So after you watch the videos, I want you to be able to take something from each video.